In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to search for a domain name on Hostinger step by step. If you're planning to start a website, launch a blog, create an online store, or build a brand online, the very first thing you need is a domain name. Your domain name is the address people type into their browser to find your website, so choosing the right one is really important. The good news is that Hostinger makes the entire process very simple, and in this video, I'll walk you through how to quickly check if your domain name is available and how to move forward if it is. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple website and software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Hostinger website. Then log into your Hostinger account. Once you enter your email and password, you'll be taken to the Hostinger dashboard. This dashboard is where you manage your hosting, domains, websites, and other tools provided by Hostinger. After you arrive on the dashboard, look at the menu on the left side of the screen. In this menu, find and click on the section labeled Domains. This section is where you can manage existing domains or register a brand new one. After clicking on Domains, you'll see several options related to domain management. Now click on the option that says Get a Domain. This will open the domain search tool that Hostinger provides for checking domain availability. Once the page loads, you'll see a large search bar in the center of the screen. This search bar is where you can type the domain name you want for your website. Think carefully about the name you want to use. Most people try to choose something short, memorable, and related to their business, brand, or project. For example, if you're starting a blog about photography, you might try something like bestphototips.com or simplephotographyguide.com. Go ahead and type your desired domain name directly into the search bar. After entering your domain idea, click the search button. Hostinger will now check its domain database to see whether that domain name is available or already taken by someone else. This process usually takes just a few seconds. Once the search finishes, Hostinger will show you the results. If the domain is available, you'll see a message indicating that the domain can be registered. You'll also see the price for registering that domain. At this point, you can choose to add the domain to your cart and continue with the registration process. However, if the domain name is already taken, don't worry. Hostinger will automatically suggest alternative domain names that are similar to the one you search for. These suggestions may include different domain extensions like .net, .co, .online, or other variations of your original idea. Sometimes simply adding a word, shortening the phrase, or choosing a different extension can help you find a great domain that is still available. Take a moment to review the suggestions and see if any of them fit your needs. If you find an available domain that you like, you can select it and move forward with registering it through Hostinger. Registering the domain ensures that the name belongs to you and no one else can use it while your registration is active. And that's basically it. That's how you search for a domain name on Hostinger and check whether your desired domain is available. As you can see, the process is very quick and beginner-friendly, and it only takes a few clicks to start securing the name for your website. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials about websites, domains, and online tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.